Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So this is on ET30, which is native 1080p projector with good sharp picture quality. If you want to check out this projector, I'll put down a link in the description. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. So in the box you will get your power cable, RCA connection cable, user guide, controller and 3D glasses. So the weight of this projector is pretty light and the size is 14 cm by 11 cm by 13 and it is made completely in plastic. On the top you got power button, focus ring. Unfortunately this thing doesn't have keystone correction to keep the image straight. That means you have to have your projector very straight in order to get good image. On the back you have DC connection for your power cable, USB port, HDMI and a headphone jack. Make sure when you set up your projector there is no zoom, so your screen size will depend on the placement and the distance of your projector. ON recommends between size 70 inches to 100 inches to get the best out of your projector. But of course if you have more space in your room you can go up to 300 inches. Jumping in the settings, you will find all your picture and sound options as well as sleep timer, so you can set your projector to turn itself off when you need. So let's connect to AirPlay and see the image quality. As you can see, the image looks sharp and vibrant. Once you turn on the lights, it is still watchable, but I recommend to watch it in complete darkness. When it comes to focusing, it can be a little sensitive, but once you find your perfect adjustment, you should be able to get crisp and vibrant image. By looking at the smartphone, you should be able to make out the screen size. So the good thing about the projector is AirPlay. You don't have to worry about HDMI cable all the time. But the brightness is big issue. Even the Elliston S5 projector was little bit more brighter than this one. I would recommend to spend a little extra and get a brighter projector. The sound quality is okay and the fan noise kind of annoying. For this kind of price range, I wanted something much better. I would suggest that spend a little extra and go for a better one. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye, see you next time.